going to make some fennel salad. This is fennel. It has been dismantled. As you can see, we have dismantled the fennel because we wanted to wash it. So we dismantled the fennel. So these are the ingredients we are going to use. And not forgetting Himalaya salt. Himalaya salt here. So we have the ginger. We have the fennel there, well washed. We have some garlic here. And then we have the aroma loaded coriander. Aroma loaded coriander. This is aroma loaded coriander. So we are going to make a perfect salad. Perfect fennel salad. Then we will sprinkle a little bit of black pepper, and we'll sprinkle, drizzle a little bit of virgin olive oil. Come with me as we make this salad. grate the ginger. This is ginger. We're grating the ginger. Just half of the ginger. So there's the ginger. There's the ginger. Now we are going to grate the garlic. There's the ginger. So we have look at that fennel, ginger, and ginger. Now let's do the garlic. That's our garlic. We have 3 cloves of garlic, just for a little bit of flavor. A little bit of flavor. Blend in the garlic. It's garlic. Put some garlic. Garlic, ginger, and fennel in there. Then we are going to do our parsley, we are going to do our coriander, cilantro. So we need to pluck the leaves. Let's pluck the leaves, ready for chopping. The aroma is amazing aroma. Look at that, amazing aroma. Those are the coriander leaves. Well washed, ready for the salad. Well washed and ready for the salad. Well, we have our coriander here. Look at that. Now we just drop it in there. Drop the coriander in there. Oh, look at that. Mix, give it a mix. Mix to the salad. Fennel salad. Garlic. Ginger. And coriander, cilantro. Amazing salad. Look at that. So we are going to give it some taste. And we are going to top up the flavor. We are going to top up the flavor of the salad. So what we are going to do now is we are going to look at that. Look at that. We are going to add a bit of salt. Shake in some Himalaya. Shake in some Himalaya salt. Shake in some Himalaya salt, and then improve the taste of our salad. Just a little bit of Himalaya salt, that will do. And finally we add a bit of black pepper. Drizzle a little bit of black pepper. Drizzle a little bit of black pepper, just a quarter teaspoon. Quarter of a teaspoon will do. A quarter of a teaspoon will do. A quarter of a teaspoon. Just a little bit of black pepper. And then finally we're going to drizzle some olive oil, some virgin olive oil. Drizzle some virgin olive oil to this salad. That will do. Then mixing time, we mix our salad. Wow, look at that. Make sure you thoroughly mix the salad. Fennel, coriander, ginger, and some bit of garlic, olive oil, black pepper. Well, this is our final salad. So please do remember to subscribe to the channel. Please do remember to subscribe to the channel. I'll be thankful if you do that. And now we are going to taste this salad. Tasting time. Let's give this salad a taste. Wow, look at the color, is awesome. Coriander making it vibrant. Cilantro making it vibrant. So let's see how it tastes. Tasting time. This is our salad. This is one of a kind. It's so yummy. All the flavors are coming together and no flavor is overpowering another. This is a yummy salad. You can enjoy it with your savory dish, either chicken, or you can enjoy with a beef or any other vegetable meal you make. So this is an awesome salad rich in vitamins and minerals. Thanks everybody for watching this salad making using fennel.